In the realm of woodworking, the potential for profit through crafting with scrap wood is immense, as artisans and hobbyists often find themselves with leftover materials from larger projects. These scraps can serve as a goldmine for creativity and income. The journey begins with recognizing the value in what might otherwise be discarded. Transforming scrap wood into sellable items not only helps declutter workshops, but also paves the way for a sustainable business model. The growing trend toward handmade goods in the marketplace reflects a consumer preference for unique, artisanal products, making this an opportune time for woodworkers to capitalize on their skills. Creativity plays a crucial role in this venture. Each piece of scrap wood has its own character, and the challenge lies in envisioning what it can become. This process encourages innovative thinking and experimentation, allowing woodworkers to develop their unique styles and offerings. By focusing on quick and easy projects, artisans can maximize their production while minimizing the time spent on each item. This efficiency is essential for maintaining profitability, especially in a business landscape where speed can influence sales. Understanding your target market is another critical aspect of turning scrap wood into cash. Researching consumer preferences can provide insight into what types of products are currently in demand. Crafting items that resonate with buyers can lead to higher sales and repeat customers. Additionally, offering seasonal or themed projects can create excitement and urgency, encouraging consumers to make purchases. By staying attuned to market trends, woodworkers can adapt their creations to align with buyer interests. Marketing strategies are vital for promoting these unique creations. Establishing an online presence through social media and e-commerce platforms can significantly enhance visibility. High-quality images and engaging descriptions can captivate potential buyers, while storytelling can add a personal touch that fosters connections. Sharing the inspiration behind each project can make the items more appealing and encourage purchases. Building a brand identity that reflects craftsmanship and creativity will help differentiate products in a crowded marketplace. Building relationships with fellow creators can offer support and inspiration, fostering a sense of community that benefits everyone involved. Pricing products appropriately is essential for ensuring profitability. Understanding the costs of materials, tools, and time invested will help determine fair prices. Conducting market research to see what similar items are selling for can provide valuable insight into competitive pricing strategies. Balancing affordability with profitability is key. Setting prices too high may deter buyers, while prices that are too low can undermine the perceived value of the work. Sustainability is increasingly important to consumers, making it a strong selling point for scrap wood projects. Highlighting eco-friendly practices, such as sourcing reclaimed materials or using non-toxic finishes, can attract environmentally conscious buyers. Promoting these sustainable aspects can enhance brand reputation and foster a loyal customer base. As consumers become more aware of their purchasing decisions, emphasizing sustainability can differentiate a business in a positive way. Engaging with customers is crucial for building a loyal following. Encouraging feedback and reviews can provide valuable insights for improvement and help establish trust. Positive testimonials can serve as powerful marketing tools, encouraging others to make purchases. Creating a sense of community around the brand can foster loyalty, leading to repeat business and referrals. Time management is essential for balancing woodworking with other responsibilities. Setting aside dedicated time for crafting, marketing, and networking can help streamline the process. Efficiently organizing tasks will enable woodworkers to focus on their creations, ensuring that the business remains enjoyable and fulfilling. Developing a schedule that accommodates both crafting and business operations can lead to a more productive workflow. As the business expands, investing in tools and equipment may become necessary. Upgrading to higher quality tools can enhance craftsmanship and efficiency, ultimately resulting in better products. While initial costs may be a concern, the long-term benefits of improved output and quality can outweigh these investments. Continuous learning and skill development are also essential for staying competitive in the woodworking industry. Exploring various selling platforms can diversify income streams. From local craft fairs to online marketplaces, each avenue presents unique opportunities for reaching potential customers. Understanding the nuances of each platform can help woodworkers optimize their selling strategies, whether through direct sales, consignment, or online auctions. Adapting to different selling environments can broaden the customer base and increase overall sales potential. As the woodworking business grows, considering the expansion of product offerings may be beneficial. Introducing limited edition items or seasonal collections can create excitement and urgency, encouraging consumers to make purchases. This strategy not only keeps the product line fresh, but also allows woodworkers to explore new designs and techniques. Diversifying the range of products can attract different customer segments, increasing overall sales potential. Education and skill development play a significant role in success. Attending workshops, taking online courses, or joining local woodworking groups can provide valuable knowledge and techniques. Staying updated on industry trends can inspire new ideas and approaches to crafting. Continuous improvement in skills and knowledge can enhance the quality of the work and contribute to business growth. In the world of woodworking, the ability to transform scrap wood into profitable crafts is a rewarding venture that combines creativity with business acumen. Many woodworkers find themselves with leftover materials after completing larger projects, and rather than discarding these scraps, they can be repurposed into unique, sellable items. This not only helps reduce waste, but also provides an avenue for generating extra income. The beauty of working with scrap wood lies in its versatility. Each piece can inspire different ideas, encouraging artisans to explore innovative designs that resonate with potential buyers. The process begins with recognizing the inherent value in scrap wood, which often goes unnoticed. By approaching leftover materials with an open mind, woodworkers can let their creativity flourish. Quick and easy projects allow for rapid production, enabling artisans to create multiple items without extensive time commitments. This efficiency is crucial for maintaining profitability, as the faster products can be made and marketed, the quicker cash can flow into the business. As artisans hone their skills, they often discover their unique styles, which can further enhance the appeal of their creations. Understanding the target market is essential for successful sales. Conducting research to identify what consumers are looking for in handcrafted items can provide valuable insights. By focusing on trends and preferences, woodworkers can tailor their projects to meet the demands of their audience. Seasonal themes or limited edition releases can create excitement and urgency among buyers, prompting them to make purchases. This adaptability is key in a competitive marketplace, where consumer interests can shift rapidly. Marketing is another critical component of turning scrap wood into cash. Creating an engaging online presence through social media platforms and e-commerce websites allows woodworkers to showcase their creations to a broader audience. High-quality images paired with compelling descriptions can draw in potential customers, while storytelling can add depth to each piece, making it more appealing. Sharing the journey of crafting these items fosters a connection with buyers, often leading to increased sales. Networking within the woodworking community can also open doors to new opportunities. Engaging with fellow artisans, participating in local craft fairs, and joining woodworking groups can provide valuable exposure and feedback. These connections can lead to collaborations, shared resources, and even mentorship, enriching the overall woodworking experience. Building relationships within the community can create a support system that benefits everyone involved and fosters creativity. Pricing products effectively is crucial for ensuring profitability. Woodworkers must consider the costs associated with materials, labor, and overhead when determining prices. Conducting market research to understand how similar items are priced can help artisans set competitive rates that still reflect the quality of their work. It's important to strike a balance between affordability for customers and profitability for the business. Sustainability is increasingly important to consumers, making it a key selling point for scrap wood projects. Highlighting eco-friendly practices, such as using reclaimed materials or non-toxic finishes, can attract environmentally conscious buyers. Promoting these sustainable aspects can enhance the brand's reputation and foster a loyal customer base. As consumers become more mindful of their purchasing decisions, emphasizing sustainability can differentiate a woodworking business in a positive light. Engaging with customers is vital for building loyalty and encouraging repeat business. Seeking feedback and encouraging reviews can provide insights for improvement and help establish trust. Positive testimonials can act as powerful marketing tools, prompting others to make purchases. Creating a sense of community around the brand fosters loyalty, encouraging customers to return and recommend products to others.